Hey guys, and welcome to my beauty maintenance routine. This is that self-care reset where we bring everything back to life at home by ourselves because why not? My brows were crying for help and don't even get me started on the rest. So let's jump in and fix it all from head to toe. I start with waxing my armpits and I use lemon, sugar and water. I don't really have an exact measurement for this, but I just make sure the lemon is enough. I cook this on low heat and once it's done, I just do the cold water test. If it's hard, then it's ready to use. I just let this cool down for a good amount of time before I use it. And then once that's done, it's finally time to wax my arms. Popsicle stick for application and this old pair of cotton jeans that I cut into strips for removal. I start with applying a talc-free baby powder to clean skin before putting on the actual sugar wax. And what this does is that it actually makes the wax adhere better to the skin. Oh my gosh, I've been doing this for a while, but the pain hits every single time. I just like to apply the wax in both directions just to make sure I get any stray hairs. Altogether, I did 2 sessions for each arm, and although it is painful, the results are worth it, so I keep coming back. And it takes about 2 to 3 weeks before the hair starts to grow back.
Guys, I'm finally done waxing, okay, and I can finally lift my arms up without feeling ashamed. Anyways, let's get into the next step of this maintenance glow, which is obviously an everything shower routine. Since this isn't a shower routine video, I am not going to get into the details, but I will show you guys the products that I'm using. My hair needs to be washed, the body needs, a little TLC, okay? So let's jump right into the shower.
Hair maintenance day for me usually consists of thoroughly washing my hair with a shampoo twice and then going in with a protein treatment, using a deep conditioner and finally using a leave-in conditioner. But once I hop into the shower, I first of all let water run through my hair before going in with products. Now it's time to get into this phase and I'm starting off with my brows, of course. Guys, I underestimated the power of a good tweezer. Now my tweezer isn't sharp anymore, so it took longer than usual. But yeah, I managed to pull this through regardless, just that it took longer than expected. So yeah, I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrows, and after that I used an eyebrow scissors to just shape the top part of my brows basically. To shave my face, I'm using the Anoa cleanser so that the razor glides more smoothly on my skin. Now when you're doing this, you've got to be very careful. I always cut myself while doing this. I don't know why, but I also use this to shave the top part of my eyebrows as well. And after this, my skin is smooth like baby skin. This has to be my favorite part of my maintenance routine. I'm not even gonna lie. I make sure to hold my skin taut while doing this and I shave downwards. You never want to shave upwards. Did I even mention that I do this once a month, but I actually think I should start doing this twice a month because baby, this looks good. Look at all that dead skin and hair that just got off my face. I mean, after doing this, makeup looks smoother, your skin just looks more glowy. It also makes your skincare products absorb better into your skin.
You guys, just take a moment to look at how smooth my skin looks. I haven't even applied my skincare yet, but I'm just going to do that right now.
I've officially reached the point where doing my nails is the easiest way to feel like I've got my life together, even if I don't. Crusty nails will humble you. To prep my natural nails, I first use a cuticle remover, then I file my nails, and then I go in and start applying the press-ons to my nails. And once I'm done, I just file them to this almond shape. I've been loving that shape recently. I used to hate it so much before, but now it's been my go-to for like a while. So yeah. Once that's done, I then start putting the gel polish on my nails, and then I cure it for 60 seconds, allow it to dry fully, and then I go in with a top coat. I really love the way this came out. I also make sure to clean the edges just to make sure like there's no errors here and there, because once the nails are cured, there's no going back. You can't change or correct anything. At this point, I was too impressed. I mean, look how clean that looks. I did the same thing to my toenails as well. Once I finished, I just washed and moisturized my hands thoroughly. Now it's time to get into this hair, and honestly, I think I saved the hardest part for the last part. I'm not even kidding. I'm going to be installing a V-part wig, but first I went in with this hair growth serum. I just applied this to my scalp. This helps with growth, and it also helps to like strengthen the strands. I'm just massaging this all over my scalp, and yeah, one thing I love about this serum is that it's not greasy at all. It's a water-based serum. It just absorbs easily into the hair. And here I'm just applying the V-part wig, clipping it in, making sure everything is secure. After that, I start straightening the hair. And since I wanted to wear this wig for up to 2 weeks, I really made sure to secure all the clips in place. And initially I wanted to wear this wig straight, and later I was like, you know what, let me just put in some curls, and I really love the way this came out. With that, we finally made it to the end of this maintenance routine. In short, you know what, let me just put on some earrings and I'll be right back. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to me. I'll see you in my next one.